Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name's Alex and today I will show you how to set up and manage temperature profiles with our highly dynamic temperature control systems PRESTO with just a few clicks. Let's have a look at the PRESTO menu. You can find the so-called programmer in the sub-menu Use Programmer. To manage temperature profiles, simply tap on Edit Profile. Up to 8 different profiles can be predefined. I will show you an example. To edit one of the profiles, choose the profile and then OK. Each profile can contain up to 60 individual steps. Simply choose Add. You can choose between 2 possibilities. Standard mode defines a certain period of time in which the desired temperature is reached. Gradient defines how quickly the desired temperature should be adjusted by degree per minute. Our tip: if you want to reach a certain temperature as quickly as possible, simply choose 0 as the time period. For our first step, we choose Standard with a set point of 40 degrees which should be reached in 20 minutes. For our second step, we want to reach a set point of 50 degrees in 10 minutes. For our third step, we choose Gradient with a set point of 20 degrees and cool down with a speed of 0.05 degrees per minute. Our final step will keep this temperature at 20 degrees for 1 hour. That's it! The profile is now ready for use. Of course, the times can only be achieved if the performance of the PRESTO is sufficient for your application. In the sub-menu, you can review all steps in the desired order. Now, you have different options to manage this profile. You can also edit, add, delete and insert steps. Additionally, you can import a profile or export a profile to a USB stick or SD card. You can display the complete profile as a chart as well. To plan and activate the profile for your application, please check out our other tutorial video. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.